In a world where every moment is a story waiting to unfold, picture a boy and a girl sharing the warmth of a tea shop's glow. The boy, a dreamer with an infectious grin, his eyes filled with the wonder of 1,000 galaxies. The girl, a realist, her laughter like a melody, her gaze as grounding as the earth beneath their feet. As the aroma of brewing tea fills the air, they embark on a journey of conversation. The boy, with a voice as warm as the tea they share, asks, "Have you ever wondered what it would be like to journey to the stars?" The girl, her voice as smooth as the tea leaves dancing in their cups, responds, "I prefer to keep my feet on the ground, where reality is as comforting as a well-brewed cup of tea." Their words paint a picture of their worldviews. The boy, an eternal dreamer, always reaching for the stars. The girl, a steady realist, finding solace in the tangible. As the conversation meanders like a river, the boy, full of curiosity, prods, "But don't you ever want to chase the impossible?" The girl, her laughter tinkling like wind chimes, replies, "I believe in savoring the possible." As they part ways, their conversation lingers in the air, a testament to their unique perspectives. The boy, a starry-eyed dreamer, continues to gaze at the cosmos. The girl, a grounded realist, takes a final sip of her tea, her gaze fixed on the path ahead. In their conversation, we witness the beauty of contrast. The boy, his dreams as vast as the universe, and the girl, her realism as comforting as a cup of tea. These are but the threads that weave the rich tapestry of their story. The key points? Dreamers and realists both have their unique charm, and when they come together, they create a balance as harmonious as the melody of life itself.